Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Bluetooth while pairing on phone. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is simply head over to your quick settings, long press on Bluetooth, toggle Bluetooth off from your quick settings and toggle it back on and try again. You can also try turning the device off and back on that you're trying to pair with. The other thing that you can try and do is hit the device that you're trying to pair with on settings, forget the device, and then try pairing again. On the see all, you can try pairing again. Tap on pair new device and you can try pairing again. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to the settings on your device, scroll down to find system, tap on system, scroll down, tap on reset options, and then hit reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and try to pair again. If none of these methods work, then try pairing your device to another device. If that works, then your Bluetooth driver may be damaged either on your device or on your phone, and you may have to take it to the service center. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.